Today we are going to learn drawing and coloring of toucan bird. Okay, so let's start. First, keep your book vertical, that is standing way. Then now I'll show you with the sketch pen, but you have to do it with the pencil first. Then only you have to do outlining with the sketch pen. So first step, I'll be drawing this beak part. Okay, draw curved line like this. Then add one more curve from here. Then join from this line and then give shape. Then from here I'll be adding one more line. So this is going to be the beak part. Then next, draw circle. Then again you draw one more circle inside. Inside there is, you leave little space and then fill it, this part. First please remember you have to draw with the pencil. Then you do outlining using sketch pen. So then from here I'll be joining like this. Then draw from this beak part, join it like this. So always remember, I already taught you how to draw this birds. Okay, so neck part should be in circle shape and then the body part should be in oval shape. Any bird which you draw, body part should be in oval shape. So next I'll draw from here one more line and then from here draw curve like this. Then add one more curve. Then from here join it. This is going to be the feather part, this too. So here I'll be adding curve like this. Then after this, from here draw feet, add line. So how you have to draw feet? Like triangle shape. So next step, draw, add small curve. Then from here I'll be adding this stem of the tree branch. So here I'll be adding the stem and then join it to add leaf shape, any shape you can make. Then the other part of the body of the toucan you can just add like this. Then the feather. So you all know how to color it also. So body, the face will be different colors, but the body will be black. Then I'll be adding now other part of the branch leaf. Then just add leaf, like this. So now drawing is done. Let's start coloring now. So beak will be completely in multicolor. You all know the bird will be bird and then until neck part will be multicolored. So here first I'll be using this yellow color near this tip of the beak part. So now I'll mix it with orange with this. Then if it is bright, you can merge it together with the yellow. Then you can use light blue little bit in this corner, then mix it yellow again. If you mix yellow and blue, you will get green. That is going to be the secondary color. So here no issues if you mix with yellow and then blue. So now after this, leave little part, highlighted part, you have to leave it white itself. Now I'll be using little red color for tip of the beak. Then mix it with yellow again. Then from here, same yellow I'll be using for body as well. Then little bit blue shade I'll be giving in this corner. Then merge it together with the yellow. Then here I'll use brown. Then mix it together with the black. So feather will be in black. Feather and the body part will be in black. This bird. But not to show that exactly everything in black. So you can mix it with brown as well. So now I am using little lightly for this, so that I can merge properly with brown. So you can give shading using I'll be using this color from down to up. Merge it like this. Next, for the body also, if you want, you can use little bit white, so that it will look little bit greyish color also. The feather should look little shiny, so that you can use little white. Then if you mix yellow, black and then white, that is going to be the grey color. So now after this, I'll be using black as well in between. So here I am using, to make it grey, I am using little bit white. Even here I am using black, then brown color, So for this branches, you can also use yellow little bit and then brown. You can leave this feet either orange or you can color, or else you can leave it white. So now mix it with brown, I'll be mixing it with brown for the tree branch. With yellow and then brown. So you can color for the leaf green now. In between you can leave it white space only and then merge it with yellow. So like this you can complete the work using oil pastel and then complete the work. So this is going to be the final work. That's all for today. Thank you all.